Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable Intel CPU virtualization in Asus UEFI BIOS. To enable Intel CPU virtualization in Asus UEFI BIOS, restart your computer and enter the UEFI BIOS by pressing the appropriate key during the boot process. The most commonly used keys are F2 and delete keys for Asus motherboard. Once the display lights up, immediately press delete or F2 key to access BIOS setup. If your system launches in BIOS easy mode by default, you may need to press F7 key to access advanced mode. Navigate to the advanced. Click to expand the CPU configuration. Scroll down and enable Intel 𝗦𝗵𝗥𝗘 Virtualization Technology. Click on Exit tab and save your configuration and exit. After restarting your computer, Intel CPU virtualization should be enabled on your Asus motherboard. If you have any questions about this, you can feel free to comment down below and I will try to answer. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you at the next one. Goodbye.